Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Raberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 25th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research, make your own decisions. I am shooting from a different location today. I'm at the lake, so the internet might be a little bit less good. Sorry for that. So Palantir, we still closed up. We closed up 25 cents, 0.94% up. Closed at 26.78. Post market, we seem to be down by 5 cents. Okay, not too bad. Let's look at this on the chart. So I see a lot of force in Palantir. A lot of force because as we have discussed, Palantir is in a channel. We have two double support on that channel and two resistance on that channel. So the stock is really going back and forth between the support and the resistance. And when the stock tends to be close to the resistance, well, in theory, it should tend to then go back to the support. And when it's close to the support, it should go back to the resistance and go and zigzagging between the two. But now, this is not what Palantir has done today, because we are staying stuck to the resistance, which is good news. It's better news than having a pullback towards support and then coming back to the resistance again. So what I see here is strength in Palantir. Coupled to that, we see a huge volume. Look at this volume. Yesterday, we had a volume of 48 million shares exchange. And so the average is around 55 million shares. And today we had 138 million shares. So a lot of Palantir shares changed hands. So this is really good news when the stock is staying up and the stock is even going higher. When you have a lot of volume, it means that you have a really good push behind the stock staying higher. So I see this as a positive thing. Taking a look at the 1 hour chart now. It takes just a little bit longer. So going back, let me find, sorry if I go off screen. I don't have the best setup now. Okay, so at 9:30 we have this candle here. So pretty much even Steven up and down in terms of the bottom wick and the upper wick. So this indicates just a neutral position. And effectively during the first 4 hours, we were basically neutral. But then starting at 12:30, nice green candle, another big green candle at 1:30. So that make us go above the first resistance. Then we stayed there and did not do much, and now we are having a red candle that's pretty big in volume. So so this is making me think that this is a little bit less positive because we seem to have pretty much to erase the gain that we had. Well, not completely, but pretty much erase the gain that we had at 1:30, because at 1:30 we went from 26.68 up to 26.98. With a small volume. Look at this, a 152,000 volume of shares. And then we have a super big volume when the stock went down back to 26.68. So looking at it from the hour chart makes me think that this big volume, am I seeing it right? This big volume is not really that interesting. So so I'm kind of I have mixed feelings, as we would say. And then we have here 138 million. So we still stayed up. We still stayed up, but during that last hour of the day, we have we had a big sell-off. Let me go back there. I'm kind of puzzled a little bit by this, and just in terms of the volume. Yeah, so I don't know what to think of this. This is going up with a bigger volume is nice. Staying up with a big volume, but then going down. Let me go to the 5-minute chart just for the fun of it. Okay, okay. So basically, this is the 5-minute chart. So every candle is 5 minutes of transactions. So so it went up above 26.68 approximately. And when it went down, so it went down pretty big here. So this happened during at 15:50. So during the next to last 5 minutes, we have a big push down and then a big volume during the last 5 minutes, sending the stock back up a little bit. So I like this better. I like this better now because the biggest volume was during the last 5 minutes and the stock was going higher. So so maybe it's just a bunch of people sold and then more people went back up and bought it up. So I feel better. I feel better now. Let's go to the indicators to see on the daily chart to see what is happening here. So stochastic is super high, MACD above 0, and DMI also above 0. So everything is good. So thank you for watching. We are going to talk on Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.